Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to get free Google Play codes. It's super easy to do. Yeah, this method's pretty crazy, guys. It only takes like a couple minutes of your time, and also I'm going to pin the link to the tutorial in the comment section. So make sure you check that out. So I'm just going to explain a little bit about it. My friend showed me this method a while ago, a couple months ago, and we've just been using it ever since. And it's pretty sweet because you can actually get whatever you want from the Google Play Store using this method. So like you can get any in-game items, you can get any app, like you could download PUBG Mobile, you could get free Clash Royale gems, whatever you want really using this method, and it's super sweet. I don't really have any proof right now to show you like all the free gems and everything that I've gotten using this method. All I really have is this email from a while back just saying, you received your code. So anyways, yeah, that's all I really have for now to show you guys for proof. But when you watch the video that I linked, you will see that you'll see some more proof of that, of it working. So yeah, I recommend you guys check out this method right away while it still works. I mean, I just did it like yesterday, so while I still had my Android phone, so it's definitely still working. So yeah, you guys want to hop on that right away. Again, like I said, you can get anything you want from the Google Play Store using this method. Anything from like Clash gems to like apps, whatever. Like if you're into like learning languages or whatever, you can get literally anything you want from the Google Play Store using this method. So definitely get on this right away. Like I said, the method is linked down below, and guys, make sure you drop a comment and enter this giveaway. You do not want to miss out on this free iPhone XS. Anybody could win. Chances are completely even. I'm going to pick someone out in a week from now. So guys, hop on this method ASAP. Like I said, you know where to find it. And thanks for watching, guys.